and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing our Boxycharm Premium Box for May 2021. I have a lot of thoughts on these products. I did test out these products, or I have in the past, so we're getting reviews on everything in the box today. So before we jump into the video, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess, and I like to act like I can sing, but I can't. Anyhow, anyways, over here it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Anyways, friends, let's go ahead and jump on in. I'm in a weird mood today. Buckle up. Okay, so a lot of y'all always ask me what my box weighs, and this was sent to me in PR along with the base box, so they do come together, so I don't have like an individual weight on them. So I do have my mail scale here, and it does come to a total of 1 pound 13.6 ounces on my mail scale. So jumping right into the box, we do have a card. The card is themed every single month. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Flourish. On the other side, you're going to see everything that's in the box. Again, now the premium box is $35 a month, and there is a variation down here, which is C2105300-PM. So jumping into the first item that I'm going to show you guys, it was actually a choice item. Now when it comes to the premium box, we do get to customize 2 of the items currently in the premium boxes. So this was sent to me in PR, so I did not get to choose what my choices were, but I love this first item I'm going to talk to y'all about. This is the Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar. It's fragrance free and it is a moisturizing nectar. It does have a retail value of $65, and it says, this healing ointment to serum hydrator soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. Powered by proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a banquet of earth-sourced botanicals. Apply it anywhere your skin needs extra love. Try it as a moisturizing sleep mask. Y'all, when I tell you this stuff is amazing, it is amazing. So use this on your hands, your cuticles, your décolleté, your face, your neck, your wherever. It is amazing. Okay, so that's just the formula. Can we talk about how aesthetically pleasing the jar is? I love this. So I have one currently open upstairs. This stuff is so wild because it is like this, it looks like jelly with liquid around it, so I always shake mine up beforehand. Then you warm it up in between your fingers. You literally feel it warming up, and then it goes from like this jelly consistency right into like this serum consistency. You press it into the skin, and the amazing hydrating benefits that you get to this little product is insane. Now I told y'all I do use retinol, and my retinol, a lot of y'all have been asking where do I get it. Mine is actually prescribed from my doctor, and I use the 0.1 tretinool, whatever it is, starts with a T, but it's retinol, and absolutely love this stuff. But as you know, when you use retinol or anti-aging products that are, you know, geared to slough the skin, your skin barrier can sometimes get a little like, oh, this has helped my skin barrier. I absolutely love it. I love it so much. If you can find this and pop up on May 17th, I would highly recommend it. And it's going to last you forever. I will probably get 12 months out of this. I highly recommend this stuff, and I'm telling you, my retinol, like my skin is definitely like seeing the benefits to using this with my retinol. They actually recommended it when I sat down and spoke with Bloom Effects, the creators, the owners of Bloom Effects. They said that this works beautifully paired with retinol. So I'll put my retinol on, I'll let it sit, and then after about 15 minutes I'll go in with my Bloom Effects. My skin literally has like night and day. The next item in here is by Larousse, and it is a set of 3 brushes. Now when we were talking about them in a sneak peek Boxycharm premium spoiler, I was like, these look so familiar, I can't figure out why. And y'all said they were in Ipsy, Rhonda, and I'm like, I knew it looked familiar. So this is a set of 3 brushes, and it does say that they are vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. So let me read you a little information about the brushes by Larousse Beauty. It's the On The Go set. Get ready to cover all the basics with this set. This 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angle brush for eyeliner or brows. So that's really nice, and you guys know I love getting brushes in my subscriptions. This is the insane way of growing your brush collection. It's just getting them in your subscriptions. Okay, so the next item, I was super excited to see these, and these are amazing. If you have not tried the Rodial Dragon Blood eye masks, these are one of my favorite eye masks, okay? So this hydrates and tones, it's depuffing, biocellular eye mask patches, and contour, it goes on and on and on. So for whatever reason, I was expecting, because I saw it says 5G, I thought there was gonna be 5 packs. There's 3 packs in here. These are nice. I got to try these out because Rodial had sent me some a long time ago, and you guys know I'm very into eye masks. These are eye masks that you're going to notice a difference. So a little information about them. It has a retail value of $18. They're innovative gel masks combine biocellular technology with dragon's blood complex to intensify, hydrate the delicate eye area. Immediate depuff effect. I like to put these in my skincare fridge as well, and yes, they're amazing. The cooling effect leaves skin feeling refreshed, while the arnica extract helps to reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness for instantly brighter appearance. This is a great treatment for prepping before a big event. I mean, I don't really do anything, but I still like to pamper myself, so I get very excited for eye masks. Okay, so the next item in here is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow in the shade Chocolate Malt. I surprisingly really like this. So I stuck it back in the box and I can't get it out. Awesome. Hold please. So a little information before I give you all my thoughts on this. Look how cute it is, first of all. Look how cute that is. I'm giving you my thoughts. Okay, ready? Go back to reading the card, Rhonda. So this was one of the choices. It was between, I forget how many shades you could have chosen from, or the Too Faced Hangover Primer, I believe is what it was. So this is the melted chocolate eyeshadow with a retail value of $21. It's an innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula. Delivers a rich, intense, chocolate scented matte color in a skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrushed finish or as a pigment primer that locks down for 24 hours of crease-proof, waterproof wear. So in the video, I did already, just out of habit, put on my KAB Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, and then I just put this right over top of it. And again, this shade is in Chocolate Malt. I know it says it has a chocolate scent. I personally can't smell it, but I am queen of allergies and sinus problems. So don't take my word for it. I'm sure the next person you see opens this up is like, oh my god, it smells delicious. I can't smell it and I wish I could because I love chocolate. But anywho, I love the color. I thought it was perfect for a base. I do have the KAB Cosmetics eyeshadow palette from the base box on my eyes, and I thought this paired nicely. Y'all, okay, so here's my thoughts. When I was playing around with this, I loved it. It was super easy to work with. I just took, what brush did I take? I think I left it sitting here. I just took I'm knocking everything over. I just took a Morphe M433 brush and just kind of patted it around. This would be beautiful on those days that you just don't feel like doing your makeup, but you want a little something there. These are awesome, easy to work with. I felt like everything blended out really well. I didn't struggle. I was a little nervous. I do get nervous when trying out these kind of formulas, but this was super easy to work with. To the point that I feel like if I find this in Boxy pop-up, I will probably get other shades because I really like this. And I love the fact that this was the color that I received because of being scared to try it out. I'm like, oh, but it was easy. It was beautiful, and I would totally wear that throughout the day just by itself. Maybe add just a little bit of shimmer glitter in the inner corner or something, but I really like these and I think you'll be surprised with them. The last product in here, oh, it's not the last, I have 2 more products. Sorry guys, I get a little overexcited. So the next item is one that, again, I told you in the sneak peek spoilers I was really hoping to get because my hands are always dry, and this is the SerumKind Black Blossom Hand Serum. And a little information about this product: it does have a retail value of $27. This is exactly why I love getting these kind of products in my subscription boxes, because I don't want to pay $27 for a really nice bougie hand cream. You know what I mean? I just don't like to do that. But if you put it in a $35 box, yes, then I'm really excited about it. So this hand serum is perfect for the intensive care of skin barrier infused with the healing effects of the Black Blossom Serum. And okay, first of all, like I said, it's bougie. It comes in like that nice, like, I don't even know how, I want to say tin, but it's not. It's like a, I don't know. I'm sorry, my words are not finding their way out of my brain, or much less into my brain. So here we are. It's very, very nice, and like I said, it's very bougie. Like, I feel like if I went to a spa, I miss spas, but if I went to a spa, I feel like this is where you find it, or like Neiman or Nordstrom or something. But I have to say, this feels really nice. I was really expecting like a thick type of cream, but it says it's a serum, and it definitely goes on with, like, okay, just shut up, Rhonda. Here, my brain is just, I don't know, she got sleep but she's still not wanting to function. Rude. So you can see the consistency looks like it's going to be a creamy lotion type, but as you like just work it into the skin, it does go into like a serum-y type of feel. There's a light scent to it, but nothing over the top. And it's just a really comfortable type of lotion. I feel like if I even went over top of it with a hand cream to lock everything in, it would be insane benefits. So I like the fact that not only is it moisturizing and hydrating and what have you, but there's going to be skincare benefits to it. And I like that. So the last item in here is by Bite Beauty. And I do have this on my lips, and I did share it out because it's pigmented. So this is the it has a retail value of $26. It's a clean, high performance matte lipstick for a creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. The shade is in Pavlova. Judgment free zone. Just click away if you don't like me. It's fine. Don't hurt my feelings and leave a mean comment. So it's in the nice little sleek Bite Beauty and case or component. And what I did like when I was applying it is it's in like a, you know, a pointed shape. So I was able to kind of like line my lips with it. It is a deep dark berry color. It's pretty. But y'all know how I get. I can't have lips and eyes fighting each other. It just wigs me out. And even if I don't have eyes trying to fight the lips, I still get wigged out by dark lip colors. But it was really pretty. I did just go over top of it with my KAB Cosmetics Peony lip gloss. I love this stuff. Highly recommend. It's now sold individually. It's part of the Ofra Times Samantha March collection. If you want to pick it up, code HOTMESS will save you 20%. It is like my go-to lip gloss. Like, you guys see how much I've used? It's already down to here. I love that shade. So anywho, I will say it says it's a matte. When I think of mattes, I just think of like 2015 Kylie lip kits. Like, this is a very, very comfortable type of formula. I really do like it. If it was in like a lighter shade, I'd probably reach for it all the time. But it is definitely a little outside my comfort zone as far as the color goes. But again, very pretty, very comfortable. Okay, I think that is everything. Let me go ahead and total everything up for y'all. Again, keep in mind, this box is $35 and you will get to customize 2 of the products in here. Okay, so again, $35 for this box. Everything did come to a grand total of $253. And my thoughts on this box, I mean, I like everything in here. I'm very, like, honestly, this alone I would have been happy by itself, because this is literally totally worth it and more. It's absolutely amazing. So some people say they smell things in here. I don't. It says it's fragrance free, so they've not added any type of fragrance in here. If I didn't tell you all, a little goes a uber long way. If you put too much on, it'll just sit on your face. But overall, I think everything in the box was really, really nice. The one thing I will say is, I think I've used these in the past. I know it's not a brush I use on the daily, so I will end up giving this to Haley like for her makeup kit or what have you. But I did notice when I was totaling everything up, it did come to $96 for these brushes. So I was like, oh dang, I didn't realize they were that expensive. But I don't know. I know, like I said, I've used them in the past and they're not part of my regular brush routine. But even with that being said, everything else in the box I really, really like. I really enjoy. I mean, the color scares me, but we made it work to a nice little popsicle kiss type of dealio. So let me know y'all's thoughts on this box down below. Have you received yours yet? I know some people get their premium much faster than their base box, which I don't understand, but it happens. Anyways, don't forget to check me out over on my second channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. My top is from Ashley Stewart. If you are curious, I'll have it linked and listed down below if it is still available. I hauled it a while back. I want to say back in March, and showed the whole outfit over on my vlog channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My hair is purple because I use the Moroccanoil color depositing conditioner in the shade Lilac. I'll also have that linked and listed down below. And anyways, friends, that is all for today. Make sure to stay tuned for more Boxycharm sneak peeks. May 17th is when you get to make your choices for June base, premium, and luxe box. So stay tuned for those unboxings. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. I'm so weird. Okay, bye.